Hi, my dear Geminis. Welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction. I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, can you check out the other YouTubers? Also, one more important thing, guys. If you want to support my channel with the help of donation, the details of the donation is given in the description box below. The second most important thing, guys, if you want to book on one-on-one reading with me, the details are given in the description box below related to career, situationship, relationship. The third most important thing, guys, is that if you want to be a part of online WhatsApp Vasol Tarot learning workshop, it's a 10 days workshop, and also you can learn numerology as well. The details are given in the description box below. The fourth most important thing, guys, is that if you want to participate in Vasol giveaway, details are given in the description box below. We will be giving 5 personal readings free of cost to all the winners, okay, and then winners will be announced in the first week of June. And last but not the least, there are live sessions happening on the Facebook page between 2 p.m. to 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. If you want to join me on my Facebook page Vasol Tarot Prediction, you can daily from Monday to Sunday, okay. And let's check out today is for the zodiac sign Geminis, okay, for 3 important topics, that is one second, guys, hold on, I am coming. Okay, so yeah, this is for desire, direction and detail, okay. Let me check it out. What is your desire, what is the direction you want to take, and what are the details to go through it, okay. So yeah, your desire is 3 of Cups, your direction is the Sun, and your detail is 6 of Wands. Wow, okay. Your desire is some sort of reconciliation. Take it however it resonates, but I feel it's a kind of, let me check it out. It might be either relationship, it might be either career. Take it however it resonates, okay. So yeah, okay, this is all about, I think, relationship, okay. That is what I am seeing, okay. So for the desire, it is a reconciliation. You are desiring a reconciliation, reunion with your partner, okay. You are waiting for it, you are spying on them, okay, from afar, okay. Spying it means that you are watching them, you are checking them out on your social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, WhatsApp, okay. So you are desiring it, you are thinking about it, you have an emotional connection with that person, okay, and you are having a lot of sleepless nights, anxiety issues with this person, okay, because you want an reconciliation with this person, okay. And your direction is that you have to take an action towards this person. Some sort of movement is required from your end, okay. Some sort of action you need to take. That is what the universe is trying to say. You have to take an action to move forward towards this person, okay. Only then a reconciliation or a reunion can take place. Some sort of communication, you have to initiate the communication. There might be a possibility that you guys might be in a separation mode and you guys are not talking currently, okay. So some sort of solid communication is definitely needed for you guys. You have to release all the burdens, problems, emotional pain, conflicts, fights, whatever had, you have to just release it, and you have to take an action towards this connection, okay. And that is what universe is trying to say. And you are manifesting it, you are just thinking about it but not taking an action. You have to take an action towards this connection, okay. So let me check it out what's going on with detail, okay. So yeah, in detail also, universe is trying to say that you have to release all the heartbreak, release all the pain, release all the burden, okay. You have to gain a lot of clarity when it comes to this connection, mentally and physically, okay. And there's some sort of, if you will take an action towards this person, okay, only then some sort of new beginning will take place for you guys, because you are just waiting, okay. You are not doing anything, Geminis. You are just waiting. That you want the other person to take an action towards this connection, but this is not done because universe is trying to tell you that you have to take an action towards your person, towards your connection, and just gain just you are gaining a lot of clarity, you are waiting for it, but you are not taking an action. So universe is trying to tell you that you have to take an action towards this person, because there is a possibility of reconciliation only and only when you will be, you know, taking an action towards your person. Okay, so I hope this is clear for you. This is a love reading for sure. Okay, you are manifesting it, but you have to take an action, and you have to release all the fights and problems, you know, whatever problems you had, misunderstandings you had, miscommunication you had, you have to release all those things. Okay, and yeah, you have to take an action. Okay, that is what universe is trying to tell you. Okay, so I hope you like this reading. I hope this resonates with you. If it doesn't, kindly check out the other YouTubers. Also, one more important thing, guys, kindly like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Vasol Tarot Prediction. Okay, and if you want to book on one-on-one personal reading with me, the details are given in the description box below. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Jamini.